Hello again for everybody, and thank you for this opportunity to be on the stage and present our Genera technology. So a couple of words about me, about our company. As I tell, last 15 years we are working with the hyper-realistic images, with the computer graphic, and we cover different markets with our CGI images. So it's architectural sphere, gaming industry, filming, etc. And 1.5 years ago, we decided that that would be great to do something cool and great for another one domain. And so we found fashion domain. Why? Because in our laboratory that works with innovations, we found the technology that can do the next thing. So let's go on this one slide. So what we can make? We can do the AI twins of anybody. So how it works? That works in very fast and with in very easy way. So you can use just your phone to scan your body, scan your face, just with the photos, and create your AI twin that looks absolutely photorealistic and absolutely amazing. So it just looks like any photo. But in the same time, we have to understand that it's not just a photo. Your AI twin can include another one metadata about yourself. So we are talking about the body parameters, we are talking about history, iteration with the brands, etc. So the same technology we are using to scan the garment, and yeah, that works. So very, very similar approach we are using to create the digital twin of the apparel, of the garment, of the clothes. And again, we are talking about the hyper-realistic quality. So based on this technology, we can figure out a lot of issues and problems that now you can find in fashion industry. What we're talking about. So fashion industry works for me in two spaces. So the first one space, that's a physical space. And the problem of this space is operations. Why? Because you can imagine how heavy is fashion industry, how many processes you can find in this industry. I'm talking about the logistic, photo shooting, and another one things that you have to invest a lot of efforts, money, resources, etc. This is sphere number one. So sphere number two, it's a digital sphere. And the biggest problem for me in the digital sphere between the brands and consumer, so this is the connection. Now, brands can show just some images and photos from the website, and that's all. And for me, that's not enough. And what we are thinking, based on this technology, we understood that if you have hyper-realistic twin of any consumer, if you have hyper-realistic twin of the government or apparel, so you can iterate this in Genera space, and based on this, we can show different use cases. So let's see. That doesn't work? So actually, you can try our technology. So that's a demo, just using this QR code. And when you will go on the website with your phone, for example, immediately during the 1 minute, you can create your own AI twin. You can try it right now. So we have two types of the interfaces. So it's a web interface and the same one you will have in your phone. So we have different pipeline how to digitalize the human, and this pipeline, this is the most simple pipeline that you can use it. So this is our quality, and each of you can try it right now. Let's go next one slide. Yeah. So a couple of words about the quality. Of course, we understand that the quality is the most important things right now. And as I tell, a lot of years we are spent on hyper-realistic quality in CGI. And when we try to work with the AI technologies, we realize very quickly that we can achieve the same one hyper-realistic quality and create twins, create images, create twin of the humans in this kind of quality. So, and which kind of problem are we solve for the brands and for consumers? So that's all about the how to digitalize consumer, brand, and how to make the new kind of iteration between consumer and with the brand. So what does it mean? It leads to a lot of different use cases. So the first use case, okay, this is try-on system. I think that we understand how many problems brands have with the returns of the government, with the unsuccessful experience consumers in internet. And use case number one, that's a try-on system. So you can try it even right now, and very, very soon I think that you can see this system on the different brands. So use case number two, so it's a use case, it's also try-on, but in this case you can use your photo and try clothes without creation any twin. This process a little bit more speed up for consumer and more easy, and you can make it just for look and feel experience. So use case number three, when we start talking with a brand and trying to understand how the brand spend the money, so they spend a lot of for shooting, they spend a lot of for bringing celebrities, actors, etc. And with Genera technology, we can very easily create the AI twin of any celebrity or actor or anybody, and without physical shooting, create the campaign with this kind of person. For example, it's a 100% digital campaign with real clothes from Roberto Cavalli, and we can bring the quality and all details very accuracy. That's also one of the use cases how we can use the technology. Use case number four, so it's a digital influencers. So we have a very strong art direction department that can create for the brand some unique characters that can present this brand in media, for example. And that's also some kind of our experiment for Roberto Cavalli. So I think that you know that they use a lot of colors and skins from the wild cats, etc. And it's our representation of Roberto Cavalli character. One of my favorite use case, so this is the AI that can absorb in the model DNA of fashion brand style. So, and for example, so this is original item from the brand, and this is how our AI can create the models. I'm talking about the fashion models, I'm talking about the models of the dress and costumes. And it's a really good tool that brand can use for researching, modeling, some creative job. And as I tell, we can avoid the physical production process. We can put all this generation in internet and have a very fast feedback from the consumers on new models. And the last one case, I think that's this AI fashion model, because of course we can generate AI twin from somebody, so we can create twin of your face and body, but in the same time we can create twin from the scratch, and it's a really good case because we can avoid again shootings and create different type of the body, faces, races, and using these AI models for the different segments of geography. Yeah. So, and just imagine that you go on the website of the brand, open the widget, put the and input the parameter of your body, and all fashion models on the brand website will convert to body and face that are matched to you. So that's our technology that we are using right now. We have all prototypes, and we have a software suite of products that I showed. And if somebody wants to check it out, this with us, you're welcome, of course. Thank you very much.